Okay, so for exercise 3-2, we are asked to make an adjusting entry. So, sabi dito, ang payment system nila, no, is weekly. Wait, let me have my highlighter first. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so it's on a weekly basis. Tapos ang bayad nila is every Tuesday. Pero ang binabayaran ay yung week ended the previous Friday. Okay? So, nagbabayad sila tuwing Martes, pero yung marireceive mo ng Tuesday ay yung tinrabaho mo ng 1 week last week na. So ngayon, 5-day work week, so that's Monday to Friday. Ah, and then October 31 fell on a Thursday. So yun yung i-adjust natin, no, yung October 31. So if October 31 fell on a Thursday, so ibig sabihin ang adjusting entry mo is up to Thursday only. So that's 4 days, Monday to Thursday. So given sa problem na ito daw yung amounts ng salary and wages for the week ended of November 1. So that's for 5 days, no? Kasi 31 is Thursday, so November 1 is Friday. So ang i-accrue lang natin is 4 days, 27 to 31. So what you will do is, ito ay i-divide mo, ito, yung mga amount na to, divide mo siya sa 5 para makuha mo yung daily pay, and then yung daily pay, multiply mo sa 4 para makuha naman tong mga to. Okay? So, siguro i-freeze pane natin 'to, wait lang, para mas makita natin sa journal entries. Okay, so eto yung ating i-a-adjust, okay? So, entries, debit sales salaries expense for 8,000 and debit administrative salaries expense for 16,000, and then work in process yung direct labor na 40,000, yun ang i-debit natin sa kanya. And then, itong overtime premium, medyo malabo kasi yung problem. In-assume ko itong overtime ay hindi related sa kahit na anong job, no? So, kung hindi siya related sa kahit na anong job, you debit that to overhead, no? So, ayan, sorry. Magkasama ngayon sa overhead itong 4,000 tsaka 24. So, debit factory overhead 28. Now, kung yung overhead mo or yung overtime premium mo, itong 4,000, I'm talking about this amount, no? Itong naka-bold na 4,000. Yan. Kung yung 4,000 na yan is related sa specific job, no? O kaya dahil sa kaartehan ng customer, nagmadali yung customer, kaya tayo nagkaroon ng overtime, mapasama yan sa, sa direct labor natin. Okay? Okay, so, tuloy natin, wala pa palang credit. So, ang ginawa ko, itong sales tsaka admin, inassume ko, fixed na to, no? Kumbaga, ito yung ah, mga permanent na. So, kinredit ko siya sa salaries payable, 24,000. And then, lahat ng may kinalaman sa factory, kinredit ko sa wages payable under the assumption na per hour yung bayad sa kanila.